You want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? If yes, you are in the right place. This channel is making 8K to 10K per month without even showing his face easily. And if you like to see more video related niche, please comment below and I will make more niche related videos. And hit that subscribe button for me. So why this niche is making so much money whereas funny video niche will make so much less with more views? It's all because of CPM. And this niche has high CPM because companies want to put their ads on this channel, because the interested viewers are mostly adults and have money to buy their products. So the niche I am talking about is called engineering niche. And because there are always new discoveries and technology coming up, so you will practically never run out of contents. So this channel right here is called Interesting Engineering. And you can model this channel to make your own engineering channel. As you can see, this channel has almost 700k subscribers and was started 2 years ago. This channel is making videos on different types of technology and engineering projects that will lure viewers in. And for on the topic of how you can make the videos, you can use Google Trends and YouTube search to find topics and Google search on them and make a good script for the video. Then you can use the footage provided by the company of technology on their website that you are making your video on, and also use copyright-free footage also. But remember to use only 2-3 seconds of a clip if you don't want your video to get copyright claim. And for the voiceover part, you can use any free software for text-to-speech like Murph.ai, and you can use software like Canva, InShot to edit your videos. Or any preference of software you want to use to edit your videos. So this is all for today, and new videos will be coming almost every day. So make sure to subscribe and like this video for no BS long videos and straight to the point videos.